Have you ever wished somebody something or wished something would happen? Hi everyone, welcome to English Sprint. Today we're going to talk about wish. So in this video you are going to learn wish and how to use it and when do we use it, and you are going to become the master of wish grammar topic. Alright, be with me in this video, like, subscribe, and click on the bell to get notified. Alright, so let's start with function. Actually, wish has three functions. First one is we regret something, it is not as we would like it. Okay, so we regret something because it is not as we would like it. And also, number two is complain about situation. And we want something to happen, right? So we are going to discuss one by one. One, we regret something. For example, I wish I knew how to become a millionaire. So this is a regret. And also I used past simple after I wish. So it says that it's for now, okay? So it is past simple, but it talks about present time. Actually, I have already uploaded a video for that. Okay, so let's continue. I wish she loved me as much as I do. Okay, or you can say I wish she loved me as much as I love her. Okay, so again, it's about the present time and also you regret it. Okay, so she doesn't actually like love you, and you know that sometimes. And also, it is unreal situation in the present time. I wish I had saved my money. So this is a regret, all right? So about the past, something happened in the past because I used past perfect after I wish. So I wish I had saved my money. So I didn't save my money. I wish I hadn't wasted my money on useless items. Okay, so actually I wasted my money on useless items. Okay, so this is about past regrets, and also it is unreal in past because it is finished. Okay, so you actually didn't happen in the past. All right. So, and also for this reason, actually regretting something, all right, so we have another type of a structure. For example, I wish I could do or I wish I could have done. Okay, so you can say could do or could have done. Actually, could talks about present, but could have talks about past time, all right? I wish I could be the bad guy. So this is about unreal situation in the present time. I wish I could be the bad guy. So actually now I cannot. I wish I could have accepted the offer. So actually I didn't accept the offer. Okay, for example, the offer could be anything. For example, job offer or something else. All right. So now let's go to number two, complain about situation. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell to get notified. All right. So we use I wish plus something and plus would when we would like something to happen or change. Actually, it is complaining about situation. When you want to actually when you like something to change or happen, all right? And also we use I wish wouldn't blah 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 to complain about people's repeated actions. For example, you want to talk about or complain about someone's actions, okay? Especially the repeated actions, all right? You can say, I wish wouldn't, okay? So you will learn it better in example, okay? And also the first one, I wish would, it talks about situation. For example, something you would like to happen, okay, or change. All right, take a look at examples. I wish my neighbor wouldn't play loud music at night. Actually, it is a complaint, right? So, about uh, person behavior, okay? So, people behavior, repeated behavior, for example. I wish you would read more books. Yeah, it's also about a person, okay? But sometimes it is general about the situation, okay? I wish my roommate wouldn't leave dirty dishes in the sink. Actually, it's a behavior. I wish somebody would fix the broken elevator. So, it talks about situation because we don't know who. Just we say somebody, right? So it is about situation, complaints about situations. I wish the traffic would move faster. Again, it's about situation. You would like it to change or happen something, yeah? I wish the traffic would move faster. It means the traffic is heavy and I would like it to move faster. All right? So, number 3, please like this video and let's go to the last function. We want something to happen, right? So when you want to talk about something you want to happen, okay, you use wish. For example, I wish my friends would arrive on time. Actually, this is something I like to happen or I would like to happen, right? So we want something to happen. I wish the teacher would give us a longer break. So this is something I uh, want to happen. I wish my team would win the game tomorrow. Okay? I wish it would stop raining so we could go outside. Again, it talks about situation and you want the situation to change, all right? So you say, I wish it would stop raining so we could go outside, right? And that was the last function of this grammar topic, but there is only something else, right? Please like this video and let's go through it. Expressions with wish. Sometimes you can wish something, okay? Or wish somebody something. Or you can use wish to talk about good things for people, right? So, for example, you use wish somebody, for example, luck, all the best, happiness, or success. All right? So you wish. I wish you all the best in your new job. So this is a good actually expression for that. All right? I wish you happiness in your marriage. All right? So, and I hope everything goes well for you at your new school. Actually, notice on this point. So, you say, for example, I wish somebody something like luck, all the best, or success. But if you wish somebody that something happens, all right, so you need to use hope. Okay, so actually, after wish, you can use the noun or adjective, right? So, like, for example, luck, all the best, success, and happiness. But after hope, you have to use verb. For example, I hope everything goes well for you at your new school. So, it is everything goes well. So goes, it's a verb here. So actually, you like something to happen for somebody. Or I hope you have a wonderful birthday. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. But I can say, for example, I wish you wonderful birthday, okay, without any verb. So, all right. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video until the end. And that was my pleasure to teach you this grammar and effect on your English. So, if you had any question, you could ask me in comments. I wish you all the best in learning English, and I hope you enjoy my videos in this channel. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a nice day and goodbye.